Ooh, look at this dump truck.
It's full.
Yes? Yeah, make it full. It's so heavy, it's stuck here. Let's go take it up. Ooh, what is this one?
Make a fossil.
Oh, what is his name?
It's a bit.
What is his name? Mega Rex. Oh, look at his. Oh, got a dump. Over here, got a dump. Monster truck making track. Ooh, look at this. Masquas. Look at this. What is this one, David?
This is that.
It's hiding over there. Who is hiding over there?
Okay.
Take it out. Well, who gonna help? Sriracha gonna help too. Okay.
Let's put the recipe. Oh.
Oh, what is there? Dig in. Let's dig in. Let's dig in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, sriracha. Show me. Oh, is that a sriracha?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. Oh,
That's a driveway.
yeah.
If you think that is a driveway,
Oh.
you can drive. Drive.
Mega Rex is coming. Oh, what happened to them? Oh.
That's like me. It is not truck.
Huh?
It is not truck.
Uh-oh. What? They will not through the papa. Oh, look at that track. You have a track, David? You should do softly so it gets like this. Mark, yes. Ooh. David, what is this name? This one.
This is you. Fire
David,
Disney.
what is this one?
Fire Disney.
Wild Stray. Ooh, good.
You did it.
Look at that. Oh. Oops. How about this one? Big one. Try big one, David. Go. Take it up. Take it up, David. Show me. Yeah. Push it. Push, David. Is it heavy? Yes. Going to the... Yes, it's gone out of the road. Ooh, take it out.